Hi, my name is Daniel Gallardo and I'm going to do my tour review about Prezi. First of all, talking about the bibliographic information for this product, I want to say that there are different ways of using Prezi. You can use it on your browser, writing here www.prezi.com, and you will go to the Prezi's page. But there is another version for similar to an app to use it on your computer. To download it, you have to go to the end of the page, and there are some options like explore, product, company, jobs, etc. You have to click on product, and here will be redirected to another page to download. In this case, I'm going to download it for Mac, but if you have a PC, you have to click on Prezi for Windows. As well, if you have an iPad or an iPhone, it is possible to download it, some applications for your smartphone or your tablet, but only if these devices are from Apple. You have to Prezi for iPad or for iPhone. In this case, I have downloaded the Mac version to use it. The application for Mac is this one, and at first you have 30 days to try the Pro version, that is called, that you can use all the options, but after those 30 days you can use only the basic options that in my opinion are enough in this case. Before starting explaining this magnificent tool to do some presentations, I'm going to give you some information about it. I'm going to click here on Team, and as you can see, Prezi was created by three people, like Peter Ave, Peter Halaxy, and Adam Somley Fisher, the way the creators of Prezi. But there is a big team that is working on Prezi every day. As you can see, there is a lot of people that is working every day in different ways as a customer, developers, social media managers, and a lot of, as you can see, there's a dog as well. Probably the one dog is there, but there's a big amount of people that is the Prezi team. But the most important, Peter Ave, Peter Halaxy, and Adam Somley Fisher, that are the creators. Referring to the description by its creators, Prezi, as you can see here on the press kit, Prezi is an interactive cloud-based presentation platform that enables you to connect more powerfully with your audience. Unlike slides, Prezi open, zoomable canvas let you show relationships between the big picture and fine details, putting your ideas in context. Your message is more likely to resonate, motivate, and be remembered whether you are delivering a sales pitch to a high-value client or a TED Talk to the world's foremost thinkers. Founded in 2009 and with offices in San Francisco and Budapest, Prezi now fosters a community of over 45 million users and over 120 million spreadsheets around the world. With investors, including TED conferences and Excel partners, Prezi is in the business of making presenters great. As I said before, the aim of this product is to create innovating presentations using a visual way to show our ideas to the audience. It is quite different to Microsoft PowerPoint or other similar programs to do presentations. Prezi is more visual. You can zoom in and zoom out on your ideas, and it's quite different. In my opinion, it's more interactive than other applications to do presentations. But there is a problem. How do you use Prezi? First of all, you have to go to Prezi.com, and there on the main page we go to login if we have an account. If not, we have to do one. we click on login, and here we have to write our email first of all. In my case, I have an educational account because I have an account from the UAV. You write your email and your password and log in. Then you will go to another page, and here I have my Prezi that I did before, but I'm going to create a new one to teach you how to do a Prezi. When we are here, we click on a new Prezi, and another page will be opened by our browser. In case of using the browser edition, if we are using the application, is more or less the same, but you have the application on your computer. Here you can choose a template or start a blank Prezi. Today I'm going to do one blank Prezi to teach you how to do a Prezi starting from zero, no, without any template. We click on start blank Prezi, and a new page will be open. In order to show you how does it work, I'm going to do a Prezi. So we add the title, how to do a Prezi presentation. First of all, we have to open the web page, prezi.com. Secondly, we have to log in with your account, and then click on create a new Prezi. I think that it's enough here, but now I'm going to add some new circles or frames. I'm going to move it here, and then we click twice to add some text. For example, now I'm going to write here a title, so I click on title. How can I create a new circle, a new frame, for example? Now I'm going to show you how to create it, but probably it's not. It's quite lonely here. We have to add a frame, so we click on insert, and we're going to add a row from here to here in order to link the ideas. You can move as you want and do whatever you think. I'm going to write here how to create a new frame. You have we are not writing a title now, so we have to change it to body. You have to double click on the blank spaces, for example. Then you can do it smaller or bigger depending on what you want to do, and you can move it on the correct way. As well, we can change the theme or put a background image, but now we're going to use the blank template because it's very important to know how to write down some text to do good presentations for our audience. After knowing how to write down some text, we will learn how to do some frames. So we go to the left part of the page, and as you can see here, it's writing. You can read circle frame. We can put a circle, a bracket, a rectangle, or invisible. In this case, I'm going to change, and I'm going to put a bracket. I click on this bracket and I move it here because I'm going to frame my text here. Perfect. After that, on Prezi, you can do more things. You can put some images, symbols. So you go to Insert, and here you click on Symbols and Shapes. You have a big amount of symbols in different styles. You have simple, sketch, photographic, and other ways. In this case, I'm going to use sketch because I like this style, but you can use the one that you want. How to create it? I'm going to put here a question mark because we're doing a question, and I'm going to move it to here. As I said before, Prezi is very visual because you can add a lot of things. As well, you can insert content from your computer, a PowerPoint, music, or a YouTube video. We can click on enter YouTube, and here you paste your link from YouTube to add it. But before adding a video, you have to put a frame to put it into this frame. For example, I'm going to put it here or here into this one, because we can zoom in and do it smaller to put it into another place from our Prezi to make it invisible at first, but later people will see it when we will zoom in. I put it here and I go to the frame. First of all, zoom to frame, and here I insert my video. But I want to insert a YouTube video, so I go to YouTube, youtube.com, and for example, I will put a video from this one, for example. I go to the video, I copy, and later I will paste YouTube video. I put here the link and I click to insert. Another thing you can do with Prezi is to work in collaboration to other classmates to do the presentation together if you are doing a work group or a collaboration project. You go to Share and you click on Share Prezi. In this case, if you use this link, people can view your Prezi to give their opinion, but you can also add some people to work together and create your Prezi. You only have to write here the email of this person, and then you can choose if this person can edit or only can view the Prezi. Another feature from Prezi is that it isn't only to work online, you can work on offline as well. So in case of presentations, if you have a basic account, you click on share, and here you can download it as a PDF, but in this case it won't be interactive. So to do it interactive, you have to download it as a portable Prezi. You click on this option, then the machine is preparing our portable Prezi, and after that we will have it on our computer in order to use it on some computers that we are not sure to have internet connection in the moment of the presentation. Referring to my critical review and the difficulty of using Prezi, I think that at first it is quite difficult to use this magnificent tool, but if you watch some tutorials, or like for example, you can go to support at the end of the page, the main page of Prezi. You go at the end of the page, you click on support, and here you have a big amount of videos, and you have some articles as well but it is not very difficult to be used by our students or by ourselves. Referring to the computers and the technology, I think that it isn't necessary to have the latest computer on the market. I think that if you have a quite good computer with a good internet connection, or uh, more or less good internet connection, will be enough to use Prezi, because you don't need to have a very high connection internet, or the most expensive computer, because it is the best. Referring to the benefit of using this product, I think that the first one will be the collaboration between all the people that is using Prezi, because as I said before, our students can do presentations all together and work all together in order to do a Prezi for present something. But as well, I think that another benefit of using Prezi is that presentations will be more visual than if you use a PowerPoint, that sometimes is quite boring, because the quality will be better, and the audience will be more interested, because all the time you are zooming in and out your presentations. You can put some videos or do whatever you want with Prezi. Asking to the question about how could this product be used to enhance language learning, I think that our students have to write down all the time, so it is a very good way to use this product in order, and referring to language learning of our students. So in my opinion, it is a fantastic way to work languages, technology, and to work together, all our students.